Hello YouTube, this is the Scientist fan here. I just want to let you know this is a secret weapon, weapon item. Not a weapon, how do you say it? Attachment or something, I don't know how you say it. A silencer for the pistol, yeah, I said it, silencer. I never knew there was a silencer in this game. I'm gonna show you where it hides, alright? It's at this, remember, um, this is the in a hotel, not a hotel? The apartment level, you know, you first enter, you go all up the stairs. You have to go on the 5th floor. God damn it. You have to be on the 5th floor if you see it. Yeah, you see it, 5th floor. You all maybe, just watch it. Maybe you recognize the stuff, but there is a secret place behind you. This place, you see? This place. And look, if you enter, see I'm entering, or I'm entering. There's some secret wall here. The wall color looks a little different here, and metal is different too. It might break it if it's not enough. So, grab your steel pipe. See, it's broken now. I got a silencer for the pistol. How awesome is that? I'm just recording with camera, I'm sorry. Oh yeah, I know what you're saying. This after when you're on the ground, you know, with all these monsters, you know. I believe it's in supplies. Wait, not supplies, yes. Suppress. Oh wait, that's more awesome. You can put it on the every gun, I believe. No? Awesome. Isn't that awesome, guys? Just want to let you know there's a secret suppressor behind that wall at 5th floor, that apartment level, alright? How awesome is that? Let's check it out. Oh crap, everything's fine. Thanks for watching. Well, subscribe for more Silent Hill if you want.